Hello students, welcome to Alga 12 revision. In this video, we are going to cover Unit 3 Grammar. In this, we will study about tenses. Tenses are used to indicate when an action happens. Let us see how a verb changes from past to present, present to future. Anita asks many questions. Here the action happens as we speak in the present time. So this is present tense. Yesterday, she asked her teacher about space. Here, the action has happened in the past. So, this is past tense. You can see ASKED asked. Today, she will ask about the moon. Here, the action will happen at a later time. Means this thing has not happened. In the coming future, it will happen. So, this is future tense. So there are three tenses: past, present and future. Past, action has happened in the past. The present, it shows the action which happens as we speak or it happens regularly. The future tense, it shows that the action will happen at a later time. In the past, we add ed to the verb. In the present, the verb remains like that, and in future, will is added. Now let us move to continuous tense. The past continuous. It shows the action that was happening at some point in the past. Was walking. Present continuous. It shows the action that is happening right now. Is walking. The future continuous. It shows the action that will be occurring in the future and will continue for some time. Will be walking. You can see in this verb plus ing is used. Now let us see the perfect tense. The past perfect tense. It shows an action which completed before a certain point in the past. Had walked. Present perfect. It shows an action which completed in the recent past. Has walked. The future perfect, it shows an action which will be completed between now and some point in the future. Will have walked. You can see there has, have or had is used plus third form of the verb. See the sentences very carefully. If we take a sentence, I walk, we will change this sentence into all the forms. I walked is simple past, I walk is simple present, and I will walk is simple future. I had walked, past perfect, I have walked, present perfect, I will have walked, future perfect. I was walking, past continuous, I am walking, present continuous, and I will be walking, future continuous. It shows the moment about which we are writing and the moment in which the work is being done. These are your questions. What you have to do, you have to tell simply that it is past, present or future. For example, the first sentence, Rukmini ate a sandwich. Here, verb is ate, ate. Now it is showing the past tense because it is telling that she has already eaten. Like this, you have to do all the sentences. Your writing homework is you have to write 5 lines on the topic, should children of your age use mobile phones? Friends, that's it for today. All the best for your exams and solve the worksheet very carefully. In case of confusion, please ask.